Hello everyone, myself Sanobar. Today I will be telling you all about my imaginary NGO. So, the name of my NGO will be Let's Do It Together. This will be the logo of my NGO. Okay. The name Let's Do It Together is kept behind a motive of creating a new life and a new world for the underprivileged children and women of rural community by providing them basic necessities of life and making their world more beautiful. The main target group are underprivileged children and rural women. Effectiveness of each member willing to help the people in need. Vision is to transform the life of underprivileged children and women in rural communities. Mission is to be an equal opportunity provider for the upliftment of underprivileged children and women in rural communities by providing them timely education, shelter, food, and care. The aim of our NGO will be to create a future and a better life for the underprivileged children and women of rural communities. So the objective is to provide a survival development and protect the underprivileged children and rural women, to establish schools and provide education at center and encourage vocational training, to encourage the underprivileged children and rural women to be self-sufficient, to encourage and popularize voluntary work, to encourage healthcare development and health promotions. Activities at center. For children and women of economic background, we provide education through which they learn to read and write. Healthcare checkups are done, encouraging them celebrations, giving children love and care which children need the most. Women receiving training in tailoring, beadwork, patchwork, etc. and from that they can even work. Managing committee members. Sanobar Vepari, that is myself, will be the president. Ashwini Kalal will be the vice president. Manita secretary, followed by Kessia and Sazia will be the volunteers. Fundraising. Through censorship, handmade stuff, stalls at weekly market, collection box, through willingness of people, international funds, online donation websites. So this will be the official website of our NGO where everyone can donate. Conclusion. A small initiative can make a big difference. We should help people in need through our own ways. Every child and woman must get equal opportunity to live their life with dignity. More like-minded people can do a lot of things to help the people in need. I hope you like the idea of my imaginary NGO. Thank you.